If you need to cancel your Walmart subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your subscriptions. Once logged in, find the section labeled Account or Subscriptions. This is where you can manage your active subscriptions. Step 3. Select the subscription to cancel. In the Subscriptions section, locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to review any final details or confirmations before completing the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Walmart subscription will be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart customer service for assistance.